We're gonna make a short video. I'm out here fishing a spot at an old train bridge. These kids jump off, I'll take a video. All right, he's gonna jump off. There he goes. That's what the kids do in Boise, Idaho for fun. Now, I wouldn't say to do that, but ain't my kid. Oh, they just went to the other one. I totally forgot to video. You guys probably caught that. We're gonna make a short out of it. What not to do on the bridge. It really ain't that safe. That water is not that deep. I don't believe. I won't do it.